A simple label maker. But can it actually make your setup cleaner, more organized, and maybe even save you time? Or is this just another gadget you'll forget about? Hey guys, today we're checking out the Brother PT-N10, a portable label maker that's getting a lot of attention lately. If you're just here for the reviews, skip to 25. If you want to learn how to use it properly, go to 340. All right, let's get into it. So the Brother PT-N10 is a compact, handheld label maker designed for quick and easy labeling, whether that's for your desk setup, cables, storage boxes, or even office files. The main idea is convenience. Instead of writing labels manually, you just type what you want, customize it a bit, and print. Now, feature-wise, it's pretty straightforward. You've got a built-in keyboard, a small display screen, and support for different label tapes. You can adjust text size, fonts, and sometimes add simple symbols, depending on what you need. It uses thermal printing, so there's no ink involved. You just replace the tape cartridges when needed. It's also portable, meaning you can carry it around and label things on the spot, instead of going back and forth to a computer. But let's be real, it's still a basic device. There's no fancy touchscreen, no app connectivity, and no advanced design tools like you'd get from higher-end models. So here's the honest breakdown. Pros: very easy to use, no learning curve. Portable and lightweight. No ink needed. Thermal printing is simple and reliable. Good for basic organization tasks. Cons: limited customization options. Small screen can feel a bit outdated. Tape refills can add up over time. Not ideal for complex or decorative labels. So yeah, it does what it's supposed to do, but it's definitely not trying to be premium.
Looking at what real users are saying, the feedback is actually pretty consistent. A lot of people like how simple it is. They mention that it's perfect for quick labeling, especially for things like cables, storage bins, or office supplies. No setup, no hassle. Some users also said it's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you start using it. Once everything is labeled, it just makes life easier. But there are also some complaints. A few people pointed out that the screen and controls feel a bit old school. It works, but it's not exactly modern. Others mentioned that the cost of label tapes can add up, especially if you're using it a lot. And some users wished it had app support for easier customization. So overall, people like it, but they also know its limits. Now, if you're planning to get one, here's how to actually use it properly, because it's super simple, but there are a few things you should know. Step 1. Insert the tape. Open the back compartment and load the label tape cartridge. Make sure it's properly aligned. Step 2. Turn it on. Power it up and you'll see the display screen where you can type your text. Step 3. Type your label. Use the keyboard to enter your text. You can adjust font size or style depending on your needs. Step 4. Preview and print. Check the preview on the screen, then hit print. The label will come out automatically.
Step 5. Cut and apply. Use the built-in cutter to trim the label, then stick it wherever you need. Tips for best results. Keep your text short and clear. Use consistent label sizes for a cleaner look. Store extra tapes so you don't run out. Common mistakes to avoid. Wasting tape by printing too many test labels. Using overly long text that doesn't fit well. Not aligning the tape properly. So, is the Brother PT-N10 worth it? Honestly, it's legit, but only if you need it. If you're into organizing or managing a workspace, it's actually very useful. But if you're expecting something advanced or high-tech, this might feel a bit too basic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.